Welcome. Cranium is Molecular Knowledge Systems' physical property estimation software package. Until recently, Cranium was only available as a desktop application. In 2023, we have begun offering a WebServer Edition of Cranium. This webpage demonstrates some of Cranium's key capabilities, including molecular structure analysis and physical property estimation. To begin using this webpage, simply draw your chemical's molecular structure in the editor to the right. First, draw the structure's atoms. Then, draw the structure's bonds. A separate video is available that will help guide you through the structure editor's operation. To generate estimates for your entered structure, scroll to the Constant Properties section and press the Get Estimates button. The web page packages the molecular structure into a request and sends that request to our online Cranium web server. Cranium will then dissect the molecular structure into groups and use group contribution and equation-based techniques to estimate physical properties. The resulting estimates are shown in this table. If you click on one of the technique citations, the web page will retrieve the bibliographic information for the technique used to estimate that particular property and display the information in the Details control. To generate estimates for temperature-dependent properties, scroll to the Temperature-Dependent Properties section. Use the Property control to select the property you're interested in. Select the units in which you want estimates to be displayed. Next, enter a minimum temperature and the maximum temperature, and select the units of these temperature limits. Then press the Get Estimates button. The web page will package these input values into a request and then send the request to Cranium. Cranium will again process the request, generating estimates for a series of temperatures between the entered limits, and again send the response back to the web page for display. In addition to the tabular display of estimates, the temperature-dependent properties section also provides a graphical display of these values. To estimate properties that are dependent on both temperature and pressure, scroll down to the Temperature and Pressure-Dependent Properties section. Again, you can select the physical property and the properties units. The web page only varies one state variable at a time. In this case, we will fix temperature and vary pressure. Select temperature from the state variables selection table and enter a fixed value of 273.15 Kelvin. We then enter a pressure series starting at a minimum of 0.1 and going to a maximum of 40 megapascals. Once we have entered these state variables, we press the Get Estimates button. Once again, the web page will compile these input values into a request, send the request to Cranium, and then display the resulting values. The table to the right shows these estimated values, and the graph below shows these estimates plotted as a function of pressure. We hope you find the MKS Structure Estimates webpage useful. Please contact us if you have any comments regarding this webpage's functionality, have suggestions for additional chemicals, data, and estimation techniques, or have any questions about physical properties in general. Thank you.